Look who's hopping through the garden. It's Bella the bunny. She's going on a fruity adventure. Let's follow her. Bella finds a big apple tree with shiny red apples. Yay! I love red apples. Can you say apple? Great job! Next, Bella spots a banana tree with yellow bananas. Bananas are bright and sweet. Can you say banana? Now look, a vine full of purple grapes. Say it with me, grapes. Good job! Bella finds a big green watermelon floating on the river. Wow! Look at the red inside. Can you say watermelon? Time to make a fruit salad. All of Bella's forest friends are here to help. Thank you, friends. Let's remember the fruits Bella found today. Red apple, yellow banana, purple grapes, juicy watermelon. Great job, everyone! Bella's basket is empty and her tummy is full. It's time to go home. You did an awesome job, superstars! See you next time on GlowGrow Kids. Bye!